Okay, I want to talk to you a little bit about Speedy CMS. This is an empty CSS file, just to start with, to show you that the CSS file is really empty. I will show you later what's happening. Okay, so Speedy CMS is my own developed CMS. I built this because of WordPress can be expensive if you're going to set up a few websites, especially if you need like the caching plugins or more options like in a forum. If you want to have a page builder, it will be mostly inside in a paid plugin or a paid theme, and the theme that you have to buy every time again when you start a new website on a different domain name. So I thought by myself, I'm a developer, so why am I not going to develop my own CMS, or going to try to? And I think I already did a lot. It's not perfect yet, but I did a lot already. So like we have like the media files, you can upload the media file automatically. It's going to scale the links. It makes a thumbnail like this. It makes like a WebP image directly. It doesn't matter what kind of image you're going to upload. It always makes a WebP. You can easily like copy the link and you can paste it over there. This is the official image. Later you can edit the title, the alt, and you can remove the image, but that's for later. Also the design will change a little bit. I was a little bit in a hurry over here just to get it ready. Okay, then we have menu settings. You can select a language, and over here you can add like a menu name like main menu, footer 1, footer 2, whatever. And over here you have the links, and I already made the menu. As you can see, you can order the links in any order that you want to have it. Over here you can select the menu where it needs to be in. This is like the main menu loaded in the menu on top. Here you have like if you want to make a submenu, you can choose one of these links. And then you have the link name. Link URL should be just it's like similar to WordPress, but I give people the free space to add something self. So that can be a link, and it will be used like this. And then we have the SEO, CO. The CO is already mostly built in this website. The same with the pages. In the pages you have languages. Over here you can add a language. You can edit a language. And you can, of course, you can make a language as a main one. And so, okay, let's go to the pages because that's the most important. We have select link. There are no links available because all links are occupied. Page name, and there we have SEO again. And over here, if you want to use a page builder, just put something in there. Add page. And also you have to select a language, of course, and that's why there were no links. That's it. But over here you can see the page is already there. This is just to edit the page, and this one is to do it in the page builder. And the page builder is something like this. You can drag and drop the items along if you want to. So you can put this one on top or the other way around again. The edit button needs to work, and the delete button is also working, so that's fine. You can even reorder inside of it. You can double click on it so you can edit the text. It's all a little bit primitive, but it works though for now for me. Then you have critical CSS. Critical CSS is always enabled at this moment. It's not yet a setting in the cage settings. But if you have a critical CSS, you added some CSS things in your file, always make sure that you do make critical CSS, and after that, when caching is also enabled, empty cache. Never forget that. Then we have the page builder, that's an empty page, and then we have form builder. Over here you can add a form, contact form, give it a description, and here you can add a field with the field label. It's now a little bit darker. Field label, field type, placeholder, like the type with these things. the placeholder, the min, the max, the step, and the pattern if there is any. And if you already made one, you can go over here. You can edit it. You can with these buttons you can move it one up, one down. I will put ASD over here and I put it one down. As you can see, it's now over here. And if you want to use the form builder, then I have an awesome tool made. No, I want to have like the double one, the 50-50. First you have to add a row, and if you can see over here, the first name, last name, email, subject, message, and send form. The first ones are like the fields that I already added, so all fields that you will add to the form will appear over here. And of course, it needs a button. So we are going to start, and as you can see, as I'm going to drag and drop these things, like email address is going to add it over here, it will disappear on here. And when I remove like first name will come back removed over there. So now I want to have 200%. That's the message, and this is the button. And the funny thing is, what I have made is like, let's change the placeholder to white and the background color to something fancy. Save this one, and we are going to do the no, not the font color, the placeholder color. We make it with a hoover, we make it yellow, and other color purple. Okay, I will save and close, and as you can see, the first has been changed, and if I hover, it's like the pink color at background, as I said, and white placeholder, and if I hover, it's the dark purple and yellowish letters. So you can do this separated from each field, so you can design the form. Still to come is the copy CSS and to paste it over here. But you already can see I made a menu on the right click. You can remove field over there already working, and if you can see I place it back, it's the same CSS. Well, I'm almost so far that I can save this and integrate it in the website. Then we have the forum. Of course, we have the forum name, a description for the forum. We have categories that you should make. These are the categories already there. You can add it and delete them. We have the subcats that you can add, and you can select the category and edit the subcategories. This is just the beginning of the forum, and at the front end, this is the website on the front end. This is going to be highly customizable by colors, font types, how you want to have the menu, where the menu is going to place, where you want to have the logo, where you want to have this top bar. The slider will also come back integrated in the back office, and well, you can think about a lot of things that I can build, and this is going to be a lightweight CMS with less other third-party modules or templates, with a lot of CSS files and JavaScript files that needs to be merged and optimized, and that's going to cost a lot of time. And also the developing for something in Speedy CMS, like if you want to have your own module built, an own feature in the site, then it can be done for sure and against way cheaper cost than WordPress will be. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and yeah, keep on watching for the next video. I am still not done over here, and I'm still building. This was a huge big first video, but make sure you follow us on Facebook and make your dreams happen with this system. Thank you for watching, and see you all next time.